How to add the Gmail inbox widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Then go down and tap on Widgets. After that, scroll down and then tap on Gmail. From here, scroll down and touch and hold on the large inbox Gmail widget and drag it to your home screen and let go. Next, you need to select a folder. So here you can choose a primary inbox folder. You can select forums, star, important folder, sent folder, sketch folder. So you can select any folders available in here. So here I will select the primary folder and that's it. And then after you can tap anywhere on the screen to save the changes. To remove the widget, so touch and hold on the widget, then tap on the remove button from the pop-up menu, and that will remove the widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.